Imagine a future where humanoid robots walk among us, carrying groceries, and even driving cars. Tesla's next big leap isn't just another vehicle, it's a robot. Today, we're exploring Tesla's upcoming humanoid robot, Optimus. Welcome back to Byte-Sized AI. If you love cutting-edge tech insights, hit that like button and subscribe. We'll cover what Optimus is, its AI and hardware, market impact, challenges, and its future outlook. First, what is Optimus? Tesla first introduced the Tesla Bot at I-Day 2021. This bipedal robot is designed for repetitive or dangerous tasks. Picture factory work, warehouse lifting, and even home chores. Optimus stands 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighs 125 pounds. It has 40 actuators, Tesla sensors, and uses FSD AI. Now, let's talk timelines. At AI Day 2022, Elon Musk hinted at a 2025 production timeline. As of May 2025, insiders expect a limited launch this year. The launch will start with factory assistance at gigafactories. How does Optimus function? It runs on Tesla's Dojo supercomputer, using advanced FSD neural networks. With immense computing power, it combines vision capabilities from 8 cameras and operates with a 2 kWh battery. A working humanoid could reshape various industries. Think manufacturing, healthcare, and retail. The impact could be profound, providing new efficiencies and capabilities. However, hurdles exist. Issues around safety, liability, technical limits, and public perception remain crucial. So, when can you expect to see Optimus in action? A beta version is anticipated in Q3 2025, with pilot programs starting in 2026. Full releases could happen between 2027 and 2028. Optimus isn't sci-fi anymore. It's almost here. From factory floors to living rooms, it could transform our world. But with this innovation comes responsibility. Safety and ethics must evolve alongside technology. Are you ready to share your world with a robot? Drop your thoughts in the comments, subscribe to Byte-Sized AI, and hit the bell for more quick tech dives. Thanks for watching, see you next time.